Hi friends, today we'll discuss few more important banking exam questions answer with explanation also. What is meant by residential mortgage loans in UK? Loans to individuals to purchase or construct a new home. Loan designed to help one or more individuals buy a property to live in. These are called residential mortgages. These mortgages are secured loans. What is meant by commercial mortgage loans? Loans to business. A commercial mortgage is a type of loan for the businesses. What is meant by mortgage company? Giving loans or funding to mortgages. A mortgage company is a company engaged in the business of originating and funding mortgages for residential or commercial property. What is meant by mortgage bank? Bank entity makes mortgage loans to consumers. Mortgage bankers funds loans with its own capital. What is meant by mortgage broker? Intermediary between bank and consumers. A mortgage broker acts as intermediary whose brokers mortgage loans on behalf of individual or businesses. What is the full form of SEPA? Single Europe Payment Area. Pan-European payments instruments for credit transfer began on 28 January 2008. Direct debits and debit card become available in November 2009. What is the full form of EPC? European Payment Council, which was founded in June 2002. What is the full form of ECB? European Central Bank, which was founded in 1st June 1998. What is the full form of EACHA? European Automated Clearinghouse Association, which was started in 1990. What is the full form of EBA? Euro Banking Association. The Euro Banking Association was founded in Paris in 1985 by 18 commercial banks and European Investment Bank. What is the full form of EACT? Euro Associates of Corporate Treasurers, founded in 2002. What is the full form of PSD? Payment Services Directive. On 13 January 2016, PSD2 entered into force in the EU. What is the full form of SCT? SEPA Credit Transfers. What is the full form? SDD? SEPA Direct Debit. Who is the CEO of PhonePe? Samar Nigam. Headquarters in Bangalore. Who is the president of World Bank? David Malpass. Headquarters of World Bank is Washington, D.C. What is the full form of ASOCHAM? Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. Headquarters in New Delhi. Founder Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani. Founded in 1920. What is the full form of JICA? Japan International Corporation Agency. Founded in October 1st, 2003. Who is the CEO of Union Bank of India? Rajkiran Rai Ji. Headquarters in Mumbai. What is the full form of SGB? Sovereign Gold Bonds. What is the full form of OBICUS? Order Books Inventories and Capacity Utilization Survey. What is the full form of PPP? Public-Private Partnership. What is the full form of NARC? National Asset Reconstruction Company. Padma Kumar Nair appointed as CEO of National Asset Reconstruction Company. What is meant by bankers? Core banking product developed by Tata Consultancy Services used by the retail banks across the world. What is the full form of CBK? Commercial Bank of Kuwait. The Commercial Bank of Kuwait was established on 19th June 1960. It is the second oldest bank of Kuwait. It has major role in retail and commercial financing. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any queries, please call me or send me a mail.